Government may now consider opting for infrastructure and municipal bonds from the local and international securities market in order to fund its endless infrastructure projects.
A national infrastructure deficit running into trillions of shillings, I am happy to note that the master plan has made recommendations touching on the issuance of infrastructure bonds and municipal bonds that can greatly contribute to the closing of the infrastructure gap if explored by both the central government and local governments. These recommendations would be studied further with a view to having them realized to narrow the infrastructure gap.
Prime Minister Dr Ruhakana Ragunda this morning launched the Capital Markets Authority's new master plan, which should, over the next 10 years, have realized a deeper financial market in Uganda.
Most of these investment clubs are registered as companies. So they get taxed at corporation tax level, but also dividends their members get taxed. So if they sold through collective investment schemes, the collective investment schemes are tax exempt. So that would be one way in which they can sustain and preserve their profits. For businesses, small businesses, we really want them to have the vision eventually of exiting partially or fully through the capital markets. So they're starting their businesses today. The small businesses today are the big businesses of tomorrow. So all the medium-sized and small businesses are starting their operations today in manufacturing, export, tourism, mining, energy, whatever sectors it is, not trading. And I emphasize not trading, because trading is not really any value addition. They need to have a vision of exiting through the capital markets eventually, or even preparing themselves for private equity investors.
The launch of this 10-year master plan for CMA comes around when government's domestic revenue mobilization is in the headwinds, largely due to low productivity and profit among many taxpayers.
We don't want to think big. I want we think big. The business people who are here, please think big. And I will give you the support to become big. Is that clear? You know, someone who makes $100 million, he thinks now he's on top of the world. You are nothing.
Even with only 8.3% of the population engaged in the banking sector, excluding the National Social Security Fund, savings across private schemes in Uganda are now estimated at 1.7 trillion shillings, according to the sector regulator. Reina Ojon, NTV Business.